Boost is life and you can't have enough boost. Here's my unboxing of the Adidas Ultraboost Grey. Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, back with another video. Long story short, I had 3 stripes vouchers to use. I went to the Adidas shop in BGC and got myself another Ultraboost. So let's go and unbox this thing. So this is an Ultraboost Grey. The product number is BB6167. I got the 9.5 US. So this is a nice clean color for the summer. Light enough so that it won't absorb much heat, but it's not that white that it is a pain to keep clean. So let's do the usual 360 view. This is the view from the top, lateral side, medial side, from the back, and the sole. The other reason why I got a nice clean colorway is because I still have boosted stripes remaining, and I think this blue lightning thing goes well with gray. Stay tuned for another boosted stripes video coming up soon. And that's my quick unboxing of the Adidas Ultraboost Grey. Please click like and subscribe and tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace.